Guys, so update lang tayo. Today hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi hindi na kami nakapasyal kanina kasi we thought we just get a rest. So, nagpahinga lang kami ng buong araw, and then pagkadating ng hapon, tumungo kami dun sa square ulit para bumili ng mga makakain para sa biyahe na to. Hindi din kami natuloy sa mga pupuntahan namin kasi masyado na kaming gahol sa oras, kasi yung pupuntahan sana namin na place na yun, sa outskirts ba ng Austria. It's a 3-hour drive or 3-hour train ride. Papunta pa lang yun. So pabalik another 3 hours. So in total, we are going to spend 6 hours just traveling, so it's a bit of a waste of time. So sabi namin, wag na lang muna kasi talagang sagad na kami sa oras. Namili na lang kami ng mga foods at mga souvenirs, tapos bumalik na rin kami. And also, sumama yung panahon ngayon dito sa Vienna. Umulan, as in malakas yung ulan, tapos hanggang ngayon nga umulan pa rin, no? Pero pabugso-bugso na lang. But anyway, nasa train station na kami, tapos on our way na to Salzburg. May tren na dumaan. Naghihintay pa lang kami ng tren namin kasi ang dating ng tren namin is 11:28 in the evening. So hinihintay na lang namin yun. Tapos marami kaming transfers. Ito pang nangyari, guys. So na-miss namin yung naunang tren. Tapos yung U-Rail namin is ang covered lang kasi hanggang 5th travel. Pang 5th travel na namin ito. Pero hindi na cover yung from Salzburg to the next succeeding stops hanggang makarating kami ng Amsterdam. Hindi na yun na-cover ng U-Rail namin. So ang nangyari, nagbayad kami ng 338 something para sa ticket. In euro yun. So may tren na naman na dumaan. I'm not too sure if this is our train. Ayun. Pero okay lang, it's a learning process pa rin hanggang ngayon, kahit na malapit nang matapos yung Euro tour namin. Para next time, if ever we're going back to Europe, say maybe Germany, Belgium, wherever, as long as it's still in Europe, alam na namin kung ano yung pasikot-sikot, alam na namin kung ano yung gagawin namin, alam na namin kung anong bibilhin namin. So it's charged to experience, kumbaga. So aksidente bumaba muna, bumili ng tsaa for me, tsaka nagka-crave siya ng french fries. So pumunta muna siya McDonald's. Malamig ngayon and gusto ko nang matulog, pero hindi na namin ito magagawa because we have 5 transfers, train transfers. So we are going to be up all night doing the transfers. I will update you guys later on, and I will see you guys in Amsterdam.
So, ilagay lang niya sa paningin.
Quick update mga guys, nandito na kami sa Netherlands and we are currently in Rotterdam Central. Station. Rotterdam Central Station. Here it is. So, quick pan lang dito sa station. Yan. Parang nagkamali yata kami ng ano. Hindi naman nagkamali pero parang may isa pa kaming sasakyan papunta dun sa hotel namin. So, inihintay ko lang si Benji. Pumunta siya dun sa baba kasi titingnan niya kung makakabili siya ng intercity tickets. Like day pass tickets. Pero ito naman yung siste. Yung pitaka na sa akin. Wow, mali. Anong klaseng ibon to? Starlings? I'm not too sure, but sana makabili siya ng ticket. No, I mean, sana makahanap siya ng maribilhan ng ticket at balikan niya ako kasi andito yung pitaka niya. Hindi siya makakabili ng ticket. Alam nyo guys, ang dami ding homeless dito sa ano. Hindi naman sobrang dami kagaya ng sa Edmonton, pero may mga homeless din dito na mga paikot-ikot dito sa station. Kagaya nung sa Austria, may marami din doon. Siguro nakita ko mga 10, mga ganyan. Ang dami doon nag-iikot-ikot na may mga topak. Correct me if I'm wrong ha. Is it Netherlands like lugar ng mga matatangkad dito sa Europe? Sila yung mga matatangkad dito sa Europa. Correct me if I'm wrong ha. You can just comment down below. Nandiyan na sa Benji. May nakita ka? Uh-oh. Let's go down. Ikaw lang lumabas, tapos bili ka doon. Dito lang ako sa loob. Doon tayo sa elevator. Guys, so ito yung nabili naming day pass. City pass. So bali, good for ilang days?
3 days.
3 days. Tama, 3 days kasi may number 3. So yeah, i-activate lang daw namin ito and then we're good to go. Yan. Hello friends. We have checked into the hotel and our hotel name. Ang pangalan po ng hotel namin is Moxis by Marriott. So, quick room tour lang tayo. So, here is the door. And pagpasok mo, there is the washroom. Yan. Hi! I need a shower like after this. Like right away. Yan. Shower room. Tapos, may sabitan ng mga damit. Another mirror. Tapos, may TV kami. The window. Queen size bed. Nothing biggie. At saka, lounge area. Tingnan niyo yung ano. Tingnan niyo ang telepono nila. It's so vintage. It's like giving vintage. Ang ganda ng area dito ng
It's a school district.
school district kasi ito eh. Pero maganda, ang daming kainan, ang daming mga cafe-cafe.
Punta natin yung gym. Let's go.
Okay, wait a minute. Hello guys! Update ulit ako sa inyo. Ito yung aming hotel. Tapos, di daw muna kami magpupunta sa mga tag dito? Mga attractions. Kasi it's a little bit too late. 5 na kasi magsasara na yung mga attractions. So, lalakad-lakad lang muna kami dito sa University District. Ang daming kainan dito. May coffee, breakfast. Like it should. Tapos mayroong Filipino store guys. Ayun no.
Restaurant.
Barrio Pilipinas. Ayun no.
It's a restaurant.
Просто не успеем, скорее
Saan ba tayo
всего.
tumawid?
Ay doon no.
Tingnan natin mga kaibigan.
Ay, may basag na kwan. Bote.
Pwede pala ako mag-jogging dito eh.
Pati nga rin siya nagja-jogging eh. Sa ano pa, linya pa ng sasakyan. Dami nagbabike. Tingnan nyo.
Wala ka nilang mode of ano eh.
Mode of transport nila. Mahilig silang magbike, oh. Sina Kaya, sina Koyang.
Dapat tayo nagbabike.
Puntahan natin yung Barrio Pilipinas. Oh, Philippine Jeans. Oh, Philippine Jeans restaurant. Mga bulaklak. Ano ito? May kampana ng simbahan ay nanggigising na.
The Velvet Lounge.
Dami ng ano mo, nabasag yung mga allergies mo. H. Moves in plane. Ano ito?
A museum?
Yeah. Something.
Chill nga rin sila.
Yeah. It's a Thai restaurant. Dami talaga sa kanila mga nagbabike.
Nemo's Burger.
Nemo's.
Nemo's.
Nemo.
That's Nemo.
Nemo.
So it's refreshed. Oh, that's Asian food.
Yeah. Amazing taste.
Amazing taste.
Amazing taste. Oh, naamoy ko. May naaamoy kami, guys. Amoy. Oh, amoy na amoy. Ayun, pwede tayong mamili doon. Grocery. Night to night. Night to night. Ito parang
Makainan.
kainan.
Ganda maganda.
Eating
Corner.
district. Ha? Where? Let's go here. This side. Hurry up. Hurry up. Ay, may itim. Ay, dito. Si chef talaga may bul. Si chef.
Bulbul.
Si chef talaga, oh.
Chef
Chef,
Bulbul.
may bulbul si chef. Where is this?
Siguro ikot na lang tayo.
Oh, it's si Kaya. Kaya. Ito mga Japanese. Sushi. Madami din pala ditong Asiano. Royal Academy of Arts. What's this one? Oh, tingnan mo to. What is this building? No. Sira ulo ka. Niririnig ka, naiintindihan ka kaya nila.
So? Paano lang?
Bilisan mo. Masagasaan tayo ng bisikleta. Ooh. Tingnan nyo yung guys, oh.
Ano ba yan?
Yung church. It's church.
Church yan. Church na ano yan?
Church. Simbahan.
Like what?
Taas! Tingnan nyo yan. Pwede kayong pumasok dyan. Kung ayaw mo, di wag. It's malamig. Ngayon talaga malamig. Mararamdaman mo yung lamig. Samantalang dun sa Switzerland, mahangin. Pero hindi siya malamig, mainit. No? Look at this! Ang mga lolo at mga lola. Lamig naman. Buti na lang, nagsuot ka niyan. Hofbüropolitie building.
Polite daw yan.
Ganda dito. Mag-relax. Medyo malamig ngayon, guys. Ngayon, dito ko lang naramdaman yung lamig. Ever since na nag-Europe kami from France. Mainit sa France, mainit sa Switzerland, okay lang naman. Pero pagdating sa Italy, Milan, Venice, init. Austria, okay lang, no?
Yeah, that's fine. It was rain.
Pero umulan the last day ng namin stay doon. Tapos nag-continue na yung ulan hanggang dito.
Ito ba tayo ganun niya? Ito yung church na tinuturo na.
Yeah, that's the one. Schauberg. Don't move.
Bike lane yun. Sabi nila rude daw yung mga nagbabike na yun.
Anak?
Rude.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ooh. This one is nice here.
Watch out. Watch out.
Rude. Why do you have to be so rude?
Laman ka dyan doon.
Guys, ang ganda dito. Parang parke nila. Merong maliit na park dito. May mga restaurants din sa paligid. Yan. Sarap dito. So far, ang Netherlands ang pangalawa sa gusto kong bansa na napuntahan namin. Let's go. Tumitigil naman sila kagaya ng sa Canada. Pero yung hindi talaga tumitigil, saan yan?
France.
Sa France or sa Switzerland?
Switzerland din.
France at Switzerland, wala silang pakialam. Kailangan nilang tumawid. Yung sasakyan, kahit na tumatawid ka, gusto rin nilang tumawid. Parang Pinas lang. Mauna-una. Bahala ka kung mabunggo ka. Pero dito talagang tumitigil sila.
Oh no, wala no.
Let's go. Soup tayo.
Yeah.
It's really nice to get a nice soup. I'll only get the
Chicken soup.
chicken soup or
Meron silang fish noodle soup.
no, the classic chicken. Kasi sumisinglat-singlat na tayo.
Meron silang fried wonton naman yan.
Let's go, doon na tayo sa loob mong order. Ayan nyo guys, oh, every corner there's a lot of bikes. As in, hanggang doon. Ayun, puro bikes. Bikes everywhere. which is good because menos emissions, menos gas, menos gastos. Yun. Makakatipid ka talaga kapag bike ang gamit mo. You know? At saka ini-encourage ng government nila yan dito kasi it's practical. Ganito na sana. Medyo cool tapos di mainit, no? This coffee journey starts on the other side. Magkape tayo dito bukas. Ha? Libre. Ikaw talaga, kahit kailan ka. Ay, hindi sa atin, no? Tapos ayun na yung mga... Dito tayo pumasok, no? Diyan ba tayo pumasok kanina? Or doon sa kabila? Yung tayo pumasok, eh. Di tayo pumasok dyan.
Yan tayo galing, no? Diba? Pumunta tayo ng pag-ano. Tapos sabi mo, ay, nandito na, oh.
Paglabas natin kanina ng hotel,
Dito.
dito tayo dumaan. Kulit mo din, eh.
Ano sinabi na, ano, paglabas natin? Paglabas natin.
Alright, that's the end of our stroll for today. Pero bukas, we are going to discover places and attractions. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
So,
Alin? Good morning, Netherlands. So guys, ang aming itinerary for today is Giethorn, which is approximately 2 hours, right?
2 hours and 40 minutes.
Yeah, we are going to see the floating houses, yung napapaligiran ng tubig yung mga bahay. Tapos after that, we are going to see the... Hindi ko mabigkas yung name niya, pero ito yun siya. Yan. Sorry for the glare. Yan. So we'll update you about those itineraries. Meanwhile, nagkaroon kami ng problema sa ticket na binili namin for the city. Kasi yung binili naming 3-day pass for the city, hindi pala pwede dito sa The Hague. Pwede lang pala yun sa Rotterdam. So ini-scan namin yung ticket doon sa entrance. Hindi siya nag-i-scan kasi hindi pala valid. Within the city of Rotterdam lang pala pwedeng gamitin yun. However, nung tinanong namin doon sa info, ang sabi ng babae doon, yun nga, hindi nga pwedeng gamitin within this city. Pero pagdating namin sa Rotterdam, pwede namin gamitin yun however we want. Tapos, yung pwede daw gamitin dito for the train ride ay yung credit cards namin or debit card, pwede daw mag-work yun. So, FYI lang tayo, kapag nandito kayo sa Netherlands, pwede pa rin ninyong gamitin ang credit card ninyo or debit cards ninyo except American Express kasi yan ang hindi daw gumagana dito sa city, kahit saan sigurong city. Mahirap talaga pag meron kang American Express, talagang limited ang use ng American Express cards. So nakapasok kami using our credit cards. So yun na lang din daw ang gagamitin namin, tap in tap out na lang daw yun daw ang magsisilbing ticket namin. Yeah, yun lang yung update for now. This is our second day in Netherlands. Tapos tomorrow we will be checking out. Okay guys, so nag-transfer pa kami ng isang tren pa before our destination. No, actually isang tren itong sinasakyan namin ngayon, tapos another bus ride, right? Isang bus pa, and then walk for 17 minutes before we reach our destination. So medyo mahaba-haba din na travel papunta dun sa gusto naming puntahan na lugar. Pero it's going to be worth it because maganda yung place na yun. Tsaka nakita ko na yun sa ibang YouTuber, sa ibang channel na napuntahan nila dun. Ha? Kung hindi daw crowded. Pero I believe hindi naman siguro maging crowded yun kasi maliit na town din yun. Tapos nung pumunta yung mga sinusundan ko sa YouTube, hindi naman gaano. We'll see when we get there. But I hope that it's not going to be ang tatangkad ng mga tao dito. Totoo nga guys yung sabi ko na lugar ng mga matatangkad. Matatangkad nila. Tapos ang popogi. Ang dami gwapo. Eh, sa likod ko, gwapo. Tapos, yeah, yun. I will update you guys later on, okay? See you in a few. Bye for now. Guys, biglang umulan. Ulanin ang trip namin. Ang lakas oh. Grabe. Hindi ko alam kung makakapagpasyal pa kami nito. Ang lakas.
Just things.
Siguro. Guys, bumaba na kami pero I don't think na nasa right place kami. Siguro meron pa kaming one more stop na kailangan dapat na maglalakad lang tayo? Oh, may maglalakad na lang muna daw kami kasi umuulan. Bali, chine-check ng ni Benji kung nasa tamang ano kami, stop kami kasi parang wala kaming makitang ano yung couple na yun
So dito tayo.
parang doon rin yung punta nila, tine-check rin nila yung mapa nila Saan yung ano natin?
Dito. Ganun.
Lakad tapos ano. Sige. So maglalakad lang muna kami. Ay! Okay.
Ayan.
Ganyan, no?
Ayan.
Yun
And
lang
then medium for 269.
Yan. Medium 269. Yan yung pangatlo.
429. Yan yung kinuha namin.
Ayun nga guys, bumili na kami ng isa pang payong at saka mga light snacks lang para sa kain namin dito. Habang hinihintay namin tumila yung ulan. Kaihi ka na? Ako din. Ito yung grocery store nila. Oh. Maliit lang na town to. Tsaka medyo umuulan pa. So, we'll have to wait for the rain to stop. And then we'll head our way. Guys, may giant lamok. Oh my God. Si Benji lang kagatin mo, ha? Listen, man. May mga turistang mga Hapon dito. Doon na siguro sila galing. May service sila, no?
Good sila.
You wanna try? Parang may mali dito sa ano namin. Adventure. Naglalakad kami papuntang Githorn. Well, ito na yung Githorn. Pero yung place mismo na bibisitahin namin ay parang may mali. Kasi kami lang yung naglalakad papunta doon. I believe meron yung meron talagang service na may bus or whatever na sasakyan para makapunta doon. At umuulan pa. Buti na lang bumili kami isa pang payong. Ayo, tupa. Mga tupa. Hi. Hello. Hi. Kumusta kayo? Guys, naabutan kami ng ulan ng pagkalakas-lakas pero diniretso namin. Dito na kami. May problema siya.
Kita kasi yung ulan. Ano gusto mo maglakad-lakad? Ay, kasi nandun yung makakal.
Yeah, anyway. Let's go. Ito na mga bridges.
Yung mga bahay, bridge na ito. May gate na yung bridge na ito.
Bahay na nila yan. May gate na eh.
Bridge na yung bahay.
Daming ducks, oh. Ducks. Swerte naman yung mga nakatira dito. God. Hello, duckies! Tingnan mo, oh. Ay, may miming. Miming! Tingnan mo, may hapon na nakatira. Galing. Galing ng ganda ng plants, oh. Laki. Medyo nakakatakot na. Ha? Kakatakot namang puno na yan. Parang may ganyan sa atin eh. Dito na yung mga turista. So, hindi tayo naligaw. Ay, so, may boat sila. Boats. There's a boat. Hindi siya marunong mag-drive. Nabunggo sila.
Hindi siya nakaalis-alis.
Hindi siya marunong mag-drive. Bumunggo siya dyan, oh.
Hindi ito ba? Hindi siya naalis-alis.
Yung alin? Ito, lalaki. Ewan ko lang kung may ano siya. Parang,
Tapos pumasok siya dyan, oh, tapos walang pasingan niya.
ewan. Okay, so may kakasal. Ang sabi ng photographer nila, parang ito yung sasakyan nila hanggang doon sa chapel or sa church para doon daw sila ikasal.
Siya yung ano daw?
Yeah.
Photographer.
Tinanong ko siya eh. Sabi niya yes daw. At yung ano daw na to, diretso na daw sa simbahan. Tapos pagdating doon sa simbahan, doon na, kakasal na sila doon. Akala ko nga
Then let's go.
post, anong tawag doon?
Prenuptial.
Prenup or post wedding pictorial. Yung pala ano, ikakasal pa lang pala.
So let's go.
Let's go. Yung payong kinuha mo?
Ito na yung dalawa ko.
Yung payong ko. Nakasal sila. They were just start of the show.
Paano pag umulan sila?
Ay. Edi. Ah, yun na yung simbahan. Andito na yung simbahan, no? Dito na yung simbahan. Dito na sila. Kaya naghihintay na yung mga ano nila doon. Dito kumain yung sinusundan ko na couple sa YouTube, yung dalawang content creators din. Dito sila kumain. Yan. Masarap daw dito eh. Dito sila nag-lunch. Masarap daw dyan eh.
Ay, doon sa may simbahan.
Guys, kami
Room enough,
Aqua
so find
kami.
a place you're liking.
Do you want the
No, it's okay.
It's all good. Thank you. Hello. You want me to sit here? Just wait sila. Para mura lang. Saan yung card ko?
To ask me, just say, "Hey Tom,
Hi, Tom!
I'll answer any question you have." And I'm first going to tell you something about the safety precautions in boat. Like in a plane, we don't have seatbelts. no seatbelts. But we have 2 rings in the front. One for you, one for me, so I'm very safe too. Every seat has floating capacity. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We've got 2 emergency exits here, on the right side and the left side. But I'm going to tell you a little secret. Everywhere we go is only 1 meter deep.
Okay.
So you can stand everywhere. If you don't like it, you can walk home. It's safe. I can't make it safer, yes. So, and everything I show you, you can reach by foot. So after the tour, you know exactly where to go. The canal is 5 kilometers long. If you know where to go, it's better. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's hit the canal. Yeah. There you
Okay.
go.
All right. Traffic.
All the little boats have to wait for me, but you don't know that. So, like I told you, sometimes I have to push a bit. There's a big tree there, planted the same year as the Sills building. Big tree, also 87 years. When you come on the other side, you can come over the other side and see what they're doing there. Yeah? So, now in 1900, there were no bridges yet. So the mayor had to go to his work by boat. Like everybody else, he had to use a boat.
Yeah.
And you can see the house of the mayor on the left side. The B&B, Villa Bonteco, you can see.
Oh, that one.
There it is, yes. Now, they also had bigger boats, up to 12 meters.
Villa Bonte.
Because they also had to transport cows, sheep and goats. You cannot put the cow on a boat for 5 meters, it will tip over. In that moment I'm going to show you a little boat like that, an example of a punter. Yeah, yeah. It's, we have our own Jurassic Park here. And inside the museum there's a dinosaur. Don't worry, it's plastic. It's fake. But the tree is real. Yeah, I'm going to show you where it is. You see it on the right side at the moment on the front of the museum. I'm going to show you where it is. There it is. Then you can see it here. See, there it is on the floor. There it is on the floor. There. There. There's a museum there. That little tree, the tree trunk comes from the floor here.
Is it still alive?
Yeah, it's found in the canal here. They pulled it up and the carbon test showed 150 million years old. Yeah,
Which one?
it's from stone now. Yeah, here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's right here.
Right
Yeah.
here?
Right down, right here.
Oh, right there.
Where? Oh, that.
If you go inside the museum, then you can crack a rock and see inside crystals. So,
Oh.
yeah, it's very nice. Yeah.
Oh, there's a crystal at the. Look.
Now,
Look, crystals.
the next house we're gonna pass is called Roda's Pottery. And the family Roda makes pottery for over 40 years now. They give the pottery a brochure. It's very cheap. Normally the houses are around
I'll
the million.
buy this one.
So if you want to buy this house, take a close look. Why it's so cheap? The island is very small or something going on, I don't know. But it's very cheap. So normally around the million. So,
How much
an house is sorry, around the million.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
So now I
half
told you it
off.
was a funny movie. In those days, the restaurant. And many years ago, we had very cold winters. So the lake was frozen over for a long time and all kind of skating events took place on the lake. And during those events, judges were sitting in the restaurant in the middle of the lake, smoking big cigars, having coffee and cognac, pointing out who was the winner. In those days, the judges were always very important people on the city council, so they were always right. But then, winter became warmer and warmer, no ice anymore on the lake. So they pulled the restaurant from the middle of the lake and towed it to the shore. And now you can reach it. You know the path here. It's open from April to October and you got a beautiful view of the lake. You can see how big it is here. Oh, very nice. Now, the house is on the right side. You will see here on the right side. There are holiday houses. If you rent a house here,
Ito daw
you
yung
also rent a boat at the same time.
Ano, bahay.
Otherwise you don't get anywhere.
malaki.
It's all water here. Otherwise you have to swim. That would be stupid. Yeah. To tell you about the swans as well.
This was nice.
That's for later on. I'm first going to show you how deep it is here. Yeah.
Kahit saan daw, sabi ni Tatang, kahit saan daw na parte dito,
Anyone want to try it?
1
Go
meter
outside.
lang daw. Oh, 1 metro lang daw ang lalim ng tubig na to, kaya hindi man daw malalim.
So now I'm going to show you. Look here. I'll take my stick in. Yeah.
Yung susukatin daw ni Tatang.
Yeah, yeah. Here it is. Look at it. Here it comes. Yeah. Up. So see.
Oh, okay.
Only 1 meter. I told you, it's very safe here. You can walk home. Really, it's very safe here. No, and I can assure you, it's a city side. If you see a surfer here, surfing somewhere in the distance, surfing, and he falls in the water, you expect him like this, and then he stands up like so. Stupid. Yeah. So now I'm going to tell you about the swans and the ducks. And now I'm going to tell you something. What happened to me a few months ago? I saw, for the first time in my life, I saw a deer swimming in the lake here.
Oh,
I never saw before. We had a lot of deers on the side, big herds of deer, but I never saw them in the water. It was swimming from the greenhouse in front of them to the corner. Now, at first, I only saw a little head above water. I thought it was a dog. Hey, yeah. So I put the boat to the deer. So then we came closer and closer and closer. Then people said, "Oh, it's a deer. All the pictures." So that night, I told my wife, "Oh, I saw a deer in the lake." The first thing my wife asked, "Did you take pictures?" No. At the boat, you know, I cannot do this at the same time. I'm a man. Before I got my telephone, I was too late. It disappeared in the reed. I blew it again. Once in a lifetime. Stupid. I can't help it. I can't help it. Yeah.
yay!
I did it again. Now, on the right side here lives the family Schreur. This family makes boats for 11 generations. They also made our boat. And take a look in the canal on the right side there. There's your little boats, they're all made by hand in a traditional way. And you all can sail in shallow water here. Yeah.
Ayun yung boat na ito. Ano sinasabi niya? Ano yun? Yan na natin.
Yep. The little boat there.
Oh, look at this apple.
Authentic.
This apple tree is so small. Oh, there it is. Nice boats.
Nice boats, huh?
Hello, duckies.
And now I'm going to show you something totally different. I'm going to show you a house that's built on a hill. This house was built before 1935, so it had to take care of the high tide and low tide. That's why they built it on a hill. You see this house on the right side behind the green. Now, the difference between the water and the front door is almost 4 meters. And the front door is used as a kind of ceremonial door. It's only used for 2 reasons. To do with the mafia or or Sicilians. No, very safe here, don't worry. Very nice people here. And on the left side, there's the restaurant called Fanfare. Like the film Fanfare. Many scenes were taken here, and if you go there, you can see the film as well. That's very nice, yes? But if you got YouTube on your telephone, and you put in Fanfare, you can see the film too. Oh yeah. And now, the next house, here on the restaurant, Fratelli, good restaurant guys, good restaurant, nice people here, good food here. Yeah, absolutely. From there, up there. That house there, that's used for the film here.
Alright,
Yeah, there. Spooky house. Right side, at the end of the canal, they came too late or they died too soon. You didn't see it. Stupid. Typical. Now I have to go backwards. Have a nice time, man.
Thank you so much. We've enjoyed it. So let's eat first. Sabi ni Tatang, bisitahin daw namin itong cheese factory. Cheese makers since 1974. Henry Willig.
Do you have a car? Or you go this car? Yeah.
Kasi namin magbayad
It's the same size
para matikman mo lang.
Easier.
Do you want to?
The traffic is different or
Hindi. May
pretty much.
iba't ibang klaseng keso. Oh, taste yan. Yeah. Ayan guys, so may free taste dito ng mga keso. Titingnan natin. Ano ito? Mm. Goat truffle ay masarap. They're all good. Smoked Delight Vegan. Sarap. Ang anghang.
Jalapeno.
Queso. Oh, may mga hanis din pala sila dito. Hanis. Okay, lunchtime. Lunchtime daw muna kami dito kasi gutom na kami. So guys, we're leaving Githorn. Goodbye Githorn. Thank you for this nice experience. We've really enjoyed our stay here. Short visit pero it's worth it. I enjoyed it very much. I really loved it. Yung tour namin, yung boat tour namin, that was so much fun. We are heading back to the train station. Tapos from there, we are going to... Saan nga yung next na tungo natin?
Saan siya? Ay. Kumita kasi.
Kung saan merong mga windmills tsaka
Kaya medyo malayo-layo siya. Pero, ano yung pangalan? Saan si Shan? Saan si Shan?
saan siya? Saan?
Zanzi Shan. Doon.
Ingdap. Okay, well, we will see. 2 hours daw yun eh. Layo eh. 2 hours ano?
Almost 3 hours.
Oh Lord.
I will see.
Pero doon kasi yung sunod-sunod na makikita namin yung mga attractions. Malapit na sa place na yun.
Ang bilis lang natin.
Guys, mukhang gagabihin kami nito. Kasi ngayon pa lang kami nakarating sa hindi ko mabigkas. Pero dito na kami sa lugar kung saan andito ang mga windmills. Now it's just a matter of finding the windmills. Kasi madilim na. But the houses are so nice. But ang mga lamppost wala pang ilaw. That's for free. Parang walang mga tao. Kunti lang. Ang liliit na mga sasakyan nila dito. Wala ka halos makitang truck. Sa Alberta, puro truck kadamihan. Puro truck. Yun o, ganda ng bahay. Ay, salamat. Kita na din namin. Ayun, may isang windmill.
First of one. It's actually good.
Bukas pa ba to? Parang mga sarado pa lang yung
Siguro yung mga ano na lang.
establishments.
Restaurants na ano.
Oh, sarado na ito. Sarado na dito. This one right here. Yan na, ayun na guys, ang aming pinunta dito. Uwi na kami, kita na namin.
Tatawid tayo doon. Tapos
Teka lang, ako. Ayun guys, so yung mga windmills. Ay, hindi makita. Guys, ganito lang sila dito. Pagbaba nila ng tren, sila sa parking area. Ang nakapark hindi kotse, kundi mga bikes. Yan. Yun lang ang majority ng mode of transportation dito. After train, bike, may mga kotse din naman pero mas more on bike sila dito. Yan. Puro bikes lang nakapark dyan, hindi kotse. Good morning, Netherlands! Today is our last day. Nag-check out na po kami but we still have some few more time to spare. So we are going to see the pier. It's like 38 something minutes away from here. So sasaglit lang kami doon and then babalik din to collect our luggages. After that, we are going to the airport. So ang flight namin is 3 p.m. Time now is 10:21. So it is going to be a very quick trip papunta dun sa the pier. So this is the Den Haag Central Station. So malapit lang talaga sa hotel namin.
32 minutes talaga hinanap ko siya.
So guys, canceled na lang yung yung trip namin papunta doon kasi na-calculate namin na hindi kami aabot sa oras kasi pag tinuloy namin yun malilate kami sa check-in sa airport. So dito na lang kami sa Hague mag-iikot-ikot. Yun na lang yung gagawin namin. Goodbye ka na. Goodbye, Den Haag. Bye, Den Haag. We'll see you again.